forever following you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, there is no live model today, but I do have a mannequin model here. There we go. This is the wig I've made in the past video, the one I was meant to wear for my Christmas. I keep going on about it. Yeah, that's the wig I made, and I've already get it on YouTube. And if you haven't seen it, what I will do at the end of this video, I will put a link below so you can follow that link and see how I've done this wig. So today I'm here to try and show to you guys, because in the past video what I did after I finished showing the wig, actually have using the mannequin to show the finishing touch, but I didn't wear it for you guys to see how it looks like. So what I'm intending to do today is to wear the wig so you guys can see how it looks like on a live model. Apart from that, just like in one of my other videos, I wanted to try and explain a few things I didn't explain during the time of making this wig. So now what I'm going to show to you guys today is this wig was a 360 lace closure. You would see it in the link below anyway in the process of making this wig. Just like the other video, the lace wasn't enough thick for me, you know. So what I did, which I did not highlight in the part one, was I've kind of go in and add few tracks, because when I finished doing the sewing the work, it wasn't completely full like I wanted. So what I did was to add few tracks in between, just to keep the volume fuller and nice. So here you go. This is one side of in the part where the lace is right at the front, kind of added few tracks just to create a bit of volume, because the lace wasn't enough big. So what I did was to sew a few. I think I sewed 2 from this side and also 2 because I was trying to keep it middle pattern. So this side as well, there have been a few sewed. There you go guys, this is the other side which I sewed. I did sew a few tracks there, as you can see it. And that is if you add more hair into the lace closure. But if your lace closure is okay and you're happy with your lace closure, you don't really need to add tracks. So it's pretty simple. If your middle line is sitting in the middle, or where you base your middle line there, and you're happy with it, all you do, if you finish showing the work, the length are all equal and you're happy with the volume, all you need to do, if you wear it, just shift the hair to one side, and that's you. And once the line is sitting on one side like that, that's you created a side pattern. And if you want to try and gain volume, all you need to do is just take your comb and do a bit of some kind of back combs and get it slightly fuller to the way you want, and that's it. You create some kind of volume. There you go. That's you with side pattern or just keep it in the middle, just normal. And then and if you are looking for a middle line, and there you go, you keep it, you just get your comb and separate it and comb it the way you want, and that's you with either a middle pattern or side pattern. But yeah, this was just to show you the differences between when the hair is finer at the front and what you could do or what you shouldn't do. So that was just something I wanted to share with you guys. So I hope I've made sense to what I've explained. I hope the ideas is enough for you to try and take some few ideas and try it. But yeah, we are here to learn, and that was one of me. So today it's all about this wig, this beautiful wig I made, and I want to try it so you guys can see how it looks like. If you like it, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share it to your friends. So stay tuned, and I will try the wig so you guys can see how it looks like.
I I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be. Let's stay here, let's stay here in love. Let's stay here, let's stay here in love. I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be. could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be. I could stay like this, forever following you. Let's stay.